up, man? How can I help you?
No, FedEx for you.
For
Here
me?
you go. Yes.
Oh, dope.
Very nice. Take.
Hell yeah. Thank you, man.
Yep.
Take care. Woo! What's up, y'all? It's Lethal Culture, and welcome back to a brand new video. We with the one and only. You're supposed to say.
Oh, okay. We gotta do that again then.
We with the one and only.
Yeah.
Yeah. We with yeah, y'all. Alright, guys, so take a look at what we got. We're about to do the unboxing. We got a quick release steering wheel. I'm so excited to do this install.
Sheesh.
See what we got first.
I think this is a quick release. Here you go, sir.
Does it release quick though? Is the question.
It depends. Are you quick?
Let's see. So this is a quick release right here.
Bunch of stuff in
I hope it has instructions, bro, because I've never done this before.
You got a thumb ring.
No, I'm kidding. Thumb ring? Okay.
And
Dope.
horn sensors. And a sticker.
Okay.
Cool, cool.
Thank God it came with the free sticker, bro. Otherwise I would have been worried.
We would have blew up.
I know.
And then this is your hub.
Wait. Another sticker.
Here's your hub. There you go, sir.
Oh, thank you. And these are just our screws right here. These ones are like neochrome. I don't know if you guys could see. So these are like some neochrome screws, which are pretty dope. And finally, these. Wait, no, put it back. I'm just kidding. All right, guys.
Sheesh.
And here's our steering wheel.
Replica Sparko steering wheel.
Replicas only, man. No, we're just kidding. It's real, I promise.
Oh shit, it comes with a horn?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so here is our steering wheel. Woo! How does it feel?
Feel rich.
Really?
Feel stupid rich
Check
with
it out,
this.
guys. This is our steering wheel. It's a Sparko steering wheel. It feels like the material on here is like suede, so it feels really nice. And here's our little middle piece that comes with the horn. So it'll go on just like that-ish. So it's gonna look really freaking dope.
What?
All right, guys. So, look.
This is way off, bro.
No, I know.
There you go. There you go.
All right, guys. Well, sorry, we just got some ice cream. I haven't got ice cream from the ice cream man in so freaking long. But let's put these in the freezer and get started. So step number one, we is going to disconnect the battery. Reason for that is because there's an airbag and we don't want that crap to blow up, just in case.
And every time you work on something with electronics, you always disconnect the battery, just in case.
Just be on the safe side of things. And in my case, my battery's relocated in the trunk, so this is how we're gonna disconnect my battery. But once it's opened up, it's gonna be the same, thing.
Push to the side and you're good.
Dope. So now we're good, and let's unscrew the bolts that are underneath the steering wheel. So the first two bolts, guys, are gonna be right here in the back. So we're gonna take those off really quick. Oh, there is the two bolts that are on the right that we explained, and then the last bolt is gonna be all the way in the back of the steering wheel right here. So we're gonna take that last one off, and it should pop.
Did it come out?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Once that was three screws,
Yeah,
right?
so bolts from
yeah.
Pearl. Didn't want to come out.
Yeah, okay, so once the three bolts are off, you guys might have to pry it out a little bit and kind of just wiggle it from each side, from the bottom, all that good stuff to loosen it up. After that, it should pop right off.
Yeah, there we go.
There it is. So that's the old one.
That's the old airbag.
And then from here, this is the big boy. So we're going to need a 19 millimeter right here to take this off. So let me go grab that real quick.
We're gonna get that last 19 millimeter bolt out, and Dan's gonna go ahead and do it. There we go. And then we're gonna find something, we're gonna mark it so we know which way is up on the steering wheel before we take it off.
Okay, guys, so one big tip that you guys want to do is make sure that you guys mark the bolt so you guys know which way's up and which way is down on the steering wheel. So after you take it off, there won't be any misconfusion. Oh, what the fuck? That popped off so quick. All right, awesome, guys. Just like that, the steering wheel is off. Okay, alright, so guys, so next step, we're going to be screwing this in real quick.
How are we doing this? We have power tools.
F it, bro. We're gonna use just like how it came.
No.
Hey guys, so make sure when you're putting this in, the NRG should be facing up. That's how you know it is gonna be straight, so line everything up like that. So now we're gonna put the big bolt in. Bro? I don't know, bro. I don't know if it's in. Okay, so same thing when you guys are putting this in and this, make sure the NRGs are both facing up and up so you guys know everything's straight.
Yes, sir.
Okay guys, now we're just gonna screw all the bolts in right here. Teamwork makes the dream work.
True. I haven't been this close to you in a while. I mean,
what? We're just gonna guess.
Yep, and hopefully it does.
So let's just leave it hanging for now. Let's plug in the battery real quick.
Alright. I don't know why they made it like this. Like, you can't even connect this. Ah, so let's go. See.
Dope. That looks so good. So let's connect the battery real quick. So we're gonna check if the horn works, guys. Okay.
Alright, it works, it works.
But now, how the hell do you wire this little thingy up? What do you like hold it together with?
I'm gonna figure that out right now.
Cause guys, literally check this out. The way that I came, we wired this one up, but this one and this is literally just like, there's nothing to like plug it in or nothing, which is really weird. I don't know why it came like that. So we're gonna figure that out right now, and then we're gonna plug it in, and then it's gonna be done. So let's see, how can we do that? You think we should just tape it?
I'll figure it out right now. Let's find out.
Is we bent the metal right here to each other, so it's gonna stay in lock. So wiggle it and it's good to go. That shouldn't be going anywhere.
Shouldn't be going anywhere.
All right, y'all. Oof. Damn. Look at that. That looks so freaking hard. I am so happy with this. Bad, y'all. Papa Smurf. Hell yeah. Thank you, bro. Welcome, welcome. VIP, bro. I opened it for you.
Ooh. Free, no charge? Oh, shit. And it works?
It works. It works. The homie. Yeah, dude, it looks so good though. I'm happy with it. Moses comes over blasting. I ain't been broke in a minute. What's up, bro? It's on, bro. Say what's up. They miss you. You look gorgeous, Moses.
Got the merch on, bro. Got the merch
Cutie, cutie. Whose car is this?
My car.
Hey, nice.
It's dirty though. It's really dirty.
It's okay, bro. You're still cute. So, we just got to a little spot. We out here filming right now with the 240 and the Supra. We got all the homies kicking it. Y'all wanna say what's up? What's up? And we got the one and only Sunny out here filming, making magic right now.
It's gonna make my ugly ass car look good.
And we got Skylar right there, little homie chilling. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna put a little cinematic video, and we're gonna play that for you guys right now. I'm so happy with the way this quick release steering wheel and everything turned out. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions regarding where I got it from, all that good stuff, feel free to message me, DM me on Instagram, all that good stuff. I'll answer all you guys' questions. Other than that, next video we're gonna be installing more stuff to the 240. I don't know what, but y'all gonna find out. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and peace out. We back with more videos. What's up, guys? So before this video ends, I'm throwing in a little clip that my boy Sunny made, and that's gonna be available on his YouTube channel. So here's a little snippet of it, and you're gonna see the rest of the video on his channel, so go check that out. Link for that video will be in the description below.